A very good evening, traders. Welcome to a next episode of Post Market Report presented by Aryan. Let's jump straight into the screen. We have opened up the chart. This is Nifty 50 on 1 hour time frame. I am extending the downward sloping parallel channel that I had drawn yesterday or day before yesterday. If we enlarge this channel, if we widen this channel, we can see that the yesterday and today's price action is included in it. Let's now analyze it. The downward move, or we can say pullback of this great up move, started on, let me see, when did it start? It started on 18th of September. That was on basis of some trade related issues or some negative news. And since then we can see that it is trading in a downward sloping parallel channel. The interesting thing is that in the early days of the parallel channel, that is between central line and the lower boundary, and this indicates that the down move is getting aggressive day by day. Also here it tried today for today's price action. Let me move this vertical line to today's opening. Yeah, today's initial candle was a doji one. Then it followed with a big red candle. After that, there were two green candles that took prices to somewhat yesterday's low, also breaching today's opening levels to mark a new high. However, these two bullish candles were engulfed in the next two bearish candles. It was totally engulfed. See here, this part of this part, two green candles and two red candles, they are completely identical, engulfing each other. And since the red candle is engulfing the green candle, we can say that it is a bearish scenario. And also price closed at the lowest part of the day. Let's move to 15 minutes time frame. Also today's market was quite choppy. See, it started with a gap down of around 100 points. Then it went a bit lower, then it came up, then again it made a new low, then again it made a new high, and after that all that rally was eaten up by bearish move, closing to the lowest point of the day. I guess this afternoon session the afternoon session sell-off was due to Tata Motors. There was a news in Tata Motors that it is shutting down its JLR operations due to cyber attack or something like that. And so I guess it may be this fall may be due to that news. Anyway, so we are done with index analysis. Now let's move on to sectoral chart. What story do different sectors paint? Okay, we have this zoomed out chart. uh, Talking of Nifty again, we can see that it was choppy, one time going up, one time going down. Again this cycle continued. Coming to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty after yesterday's rally today took a halt and it traded on the downside. It was slightly bearish than as compared to Nifty. Auto index, the same story repeats today also. Like yesterday a green candle was formed, today also two green candles formed in on 15 minutes time frame. And after that, like yesterday, continuous sell off was seen. Today also continuous sell off was seen. In the last hours the sell off was aggravated due to the auto news of Tata Motors that we have already mentioned. Coming to FMCG looked quite stable. Uh, it was slightly bullish only in the afternoon session. It also saw a major sell off. IT index today it opened slight gap down, and after that it stabilized in between the opening candle ranges. The range that was formed within first two candles, this range, it traded for the whole day inside this range. Pharma index is similar to IT index except for the last hour sell off which broke the range to downside. That was all for sectoral indices comparison. Now let's take a quick look at some of my favorite equities. So we mean in the afternoon I had a look at NTPC, and luckily it is now going up. I had sold my position. I had closed my positions here, and now it is about 3% more rally in it. I guess I did not. And talking about Reliance was good. It was also choppy, just like index. So 23, 25, yeah. One time going up, coming down, going up and coming down. Similar to index. Anything? Okay, let's see what is the condition of Tata Motors. So Tata Motors from the starting itself, it is uh, trading down. I guess people were aware of this news only in the last hours when it was publicly announced. News channels announced it. We could see a aggravated sell-off. Anything more? Okay, TCS is also coming down. If we zoom out this chart, we can see that it is trading at the lower part of the. It is trading at the lower part, the great sell-off, and after that it is consolidating for about August, September. I guess 2 months. 2 months for 2 months it is consolidating in this range. Any more we can see SBI after the great rally, there was slight profit booking. Uh, After this great rally, this part is slight profit booking. It should the profit booking should stop, I guess, at here or somewhere here. At 850 levels, I guess 850 will be good. It is round figure. Anyways, let's see what happens in the near future. Any more we can watch? Okay, Bajaj Finserv. Okay, Bajaj Finserv. It is. I wanted to show about Bajaj Finserv. It is. I have been watching this for a long, long time. See this parallel. It first traded in a. This is daily time frame. To mention you that this is daily time frame chart of Bajaj Finserv. Last year I had traded completely in Bajaj Finserv, and so I remember every detail of this equity. Every detail of the every detail of chart of this equity. For some time, it formed a parallel upward sloping parallel channel. Then it was range bound, breaking some dies, but then quickly rebounding. Then after that, it broke. Then found resistance here, but again forming a W pattern. It has now come up and it is uh, stuck at this zone at the upper level. Let me draw first a parallel channel. Then it will be much clear. Okay, is okay. So this. So this is the horizontal parallel channel inside which it was stuck for quite a time. Before coming up here, it broke down. I guess it shook off all the weak bulls, and then it is going up. Currently, it is trading at this part, upper part of the channel. And if we zoom out, what we can see, one big green candle, and this and price action is at halfway of this green channel. Today is red one. Okay. Until this candle is broken down, we guess we should go for upside. And if it goes upside, then there may be a chance of breakout of this parallel channel. Let me see how much time we are. Okay, so I guess it is enough for today's analysis. Let's quickly wrap up this video. That was all about today's report. Please like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications of latest videos. Bye bye traders. See you in the next report. Adios amigo. Powering off.